Welcome again to Media channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to copy and paste texts, pictures as fast as you could. Normal people just select the lines, Control C, then come to whenever they want to paste, and then Control V, and ta-da. But in my case, I'm going to paste recently copied texts from my PC clipboard. So how to do that? Look, I'm just going to cut this line. Control X, then I'm just pressing the keys and the clipboard piece. My PC's clipboard is opened. To do that, first of all, you have to go to your settings, computer settings, then system, then scroll down until you find clipboard. Click on it, then make sure this icon is on. The shortcut of clipboard is Windows V. Once you press or click on Windows V, it will appear like this. Look, but it is empty because I cleared the clipboard. I'm doing again. I'm going to cut these lines. Then it will copy it in my clipboard. And look, Windows V, the clipboard copied these lines.